Well, another day on the road, leaving, what would we say, Logan, West
Logan.
Virginia? Leaving Logan, West Virginia. I did hit record this time. Yay, me!
Yeah, but the GoPro ain't recording.
Huh. Wonder why.
Keeps turning on and shutting off. Oh, it's photos, that's why. Never mind.
That's a big old hill.
There we go.
Lots of side-by-sides here. Look at a Hatfield and McCoy. It is Sunday, June 27th, 10:36 in the morning. It's already 80 degrees, but a little breeze coming through today.
Supposed to be going through the mountains, so it should be pretty nice scenery today.
Yeah. We're on 119 South. One more hotel for tonight, and then to our cabin tomorrow. Because somebody messed up the dates we were supposed to stay. Not mentioning any names.
I wouldn't either. I'll try to jump in whenever I get a chance. She won't let me have too many words, so.
Well, in a few hours of riding, I get quiet, I get tired. We had to stop here last night because I was getting grumpy. It was hot. I was tired.
I was getting tired too. It's one nice thing being able to just ride. Don't have to be nowhere special at no special time. Makes it more enjoyable if you ask me.
Yep. If you got the extra time, you just take your time and enjoy what you get to see around you. And always be safe on your journeys, no matter if you're in a car or on a bike. Just talked to a nice couple from Michigan. They were really nice.
That's one nice thing. You meet a lot of interesting people when you're out.
Yeah, some people are nice and some people aren't. You know which ones you can talk to. Clear up on top of that mountain's a huge pine tree sticking straight out.
Yeah. I was just thinking it's kind of like out South Dakota, but it has a lot more regular trees out here.
Yeah. You get to the bottom of these mountains and they're a little cooler, and on hot days it's kind of refreshing.
Old coal mine there.
Yeah. It's like coal mines that we've seen on movies and on TV. And I'll try not to squill some tires today since I did that yesterday.
I'll try to let you know what I'm doing ahead of time.
Yeah.
I watched that video this morning.
Yeah.
I should have said something instead of just turning.
Roger likes to do that sometimes, a last minute turn, and a couple times I thought I was going to get rear-ended, or he doesn't remember to turn his turn signal on, so I have no idea that he wants to go that way. And I think he forgets I'm back here.
It's not that I forget, I just I'm trying to think of, like last night, I'm trying to figure out where the gas station is and trying to get gas. You're telling me to go to the right, and I know we just passed one on the left.
This is Mingo County.
Yeah. You know where Deliverance is from?
I don't know. So my hair got all tangled up around my battery pack for my camera yesterday, and every time we'd stop, I'd pull some more out. And I can't afford to lose any more hair than I already am. And now I got it up in a bun. It's funny how people go so slow in the road, and then when they find out that you want to pass them, then they speed up. Now he's going to pass you.
Alright. Do you care?
No, it's just funny. They don't want you in front of them.
You got a couple coming up behind you.
Yeah,
You want to get back behind the truck?
I am. Now he's going to go slow again. Some people are intimidated by bikes. You're behind them and they want to pull over and let you in front. Or if you try to get around them, they won't let you. So I don't know what the deal is.
Kind of like you when you first started riding. Intimidated on a bike.
I wasn't in a car.
No, but I mean, you were scared of the bike, even though.
Those are two different things, though, dear. There's still some people out there think bikers are really bad people.
Yeah, I understand. That's like that night we were going up to through Chester, and that lady pulled off on the side of the road.
Yeah. Like we're gonna throw axes or something at their car.
Still a 4-lane highway, but it's a nice twisty turn, not a lot of traffic.
Right. And I was near Route 22. Pikeville, Kentucky, 47 miles.
I think we're going to just touch Kentucky a little bit, so you can pick up another state.
Yeah, I just wish you could put my gems on my thing.
Oh, we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna do that. I might need you.
I should have put it on my gas tank or something.
Yeah, it was a lot easier with me. Put mine on.
I tried to take it off and it won't budge. There's Harley.
Yeah. So Brenda and I have been here before. They're closed.
So that one?
Yeah. That's the one we drove to with Snoopy in that.
Oh.
That's why we come down this road before. Now this is all new here.
I'm trying to adjust my helmet. My forehead feels like it's going to cave in.
Want to pull over or are you alright?
No, I don't think I really can do anything. I just keep moving it around.
Yeah. I try to do that before I get on the bike.
I did it too, and it just, I don't know, it feels weird. There's a biker coming behind me.
I saw that. You getting intimidated?
No.
He might throw chains and axes at you.
No. Here he comes.
Yep.
I like that color. Different. Do you wave at him?
Yep. Now there goes the truck.
See, I don't know what the deal is.
I'm about tired of being behind him.
Well, just go then.
Okay. I gotta go around this turn and see what it's like.
Alright. I just see an accident to happen if one of them things fall off his damn truck. Laurel Lake. Oh, he turned off now.
Yay.
that's tricky.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
Huh.
I was thinking the same thing. Which way do you go?
Gotta be on your toes there.
Going up the mountain?
Going up the mountain again.
Might be a bear. There's a bear up here. Bobcats.
Saw some deer yesterday.
Yeah.
Peeking out of the woods